we've just acquired this Vauxhall VXR 2 litre turbo. It's in lovely Arctic silver with upgraded wheels, as you can see. It's got a lot of upgrades on this car, so don't confuse it with the usual. So obviously it's a very quick car, pops and bangs. So I'll give you some idea of what work's been done in the engine bay there. Dump valve there. Upgraded alloy wheels, you can see they're vented and groove disced. Upgraded. Obviously a member of the VXR Owners Club, so been looked after. Rear wash wipe delete. Got Recaro seats. A water temperature gauge, turbo gauge. Step into the car. Start stop button. Six-speed gearbox. We do have 2 keys for the car. It's done 90,410 miles. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.